Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Grade 4 Mathematics. So, today's lesson is just an introduction to length. Now, in Grade 3, what did you learn in Grade 3? You worked with non standard units where you measured in class, or your measurement you did, you used your hands, or you used your feet, or you used paper clips to see how long something is or what the length of an object is. Then you were introduced to meters and centimeters. You didn't really work a lot with millimeters and kilometers. And you used rulers to measure in centimeters. And then you used a meter stick or lengths of string to measure meters. Now, what are we going to do in grade 4? More ways to measure length. So you're going to use an odometer, you're going to use a wheel to measure. So I'm going to teach you during the course of our unit for length what we can use to measure length. But I think you're going to enjoy this because it's technology and it's more in your world using smartwatches and stuff. So we're going to look at a measurement stuff like that. Then you're going to work with millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. So we're going to work with 4 units for grade 4 when we talk about or we use length. We're going to work with new measuring instruments, like I said, and you're going to convert length. So that means when I measure something and it's in millimeter, how do I get from millimeter to centimeter, or centimeter to meter, or meter to kilometers, and the other way around? Then you're going to learn the relationship between meters and centimeters, centimeters and millimeters, meters and kilometers. So I'm really looking forward to work with you and teach you about length because that's stuff we use almost every single day. See you in the next lesson, boys and girls. Goodbye.